Hello traders, I hope everyone had a profitable day, right? On behalf of Catalyst Trading Institute, I welcome you to another analysis session. So it was an interesting session. We did not expect a big move coming till 44,250 gets taken out. It got taken out, so I did not participate in the initial move, but I gradually started building positions once 44,250 was taken out. We posted 3 calls. I think 2 gave super returns. One gave at the end, right? I'd given a call trade. It hit the stop loss and then it went again in the direction. But it's okay. Out of 3, 2 trades was super success, right? When you get 230 points move in a momentum, right? You get the move, you capture good points. So what happened today? Today was a day when you could see short covering, right? And there is a steep trend line which was actually coming from the top that has been taken out, right? So for tomorrow, what is important now? This is a resistance level, right? So tomorrow, wait for market to take out 44,550 as a level, right? Ideally, market should open gap down, but not below 44,311. If it opens flat or slight gap down, takes out the day high 44,551, right? Once it takes out, you're in for another rally up till 44,780 and 830. Let's look at 15-minute chart and arrive at our points, right? So all I'm expecting is this level, right, to be held here. So anywhere if market opens gap down, it will go up. If it opens flat and consolidates, can go up. Only risk is if it opens gap up around this level 44,810, it can come back and retest this level first and then can come down, right? So this could be my two targets. Am I looking at going short with big quantity? No. Am I going at, in case market opens flat or in between this 100 point range, I would look at going aggressively long. A gap down somewhere here, I will have to wait and watch. Big gap down, I will wait for a small formation of range, then a bullish candle and then a movement up. Quantity will be 25 to 30%, right? So that's the story on spot chart. Now let's look at the component chart. So component chart yesterday were bearish, right? And that is where I was not very confident to take a long trade. But if you see today, right, everything took support. HDFC, ICICI. Now HDFC above 1592 is bullish. ICICI has taken out all important levels, but it is at a resistance. Wait, if it crosses 969, you could see another rally till 981. HDFC in a no trade zone, neutral. Axis in a no trade zone, again neutral. But if you see the charts everywhere, right, barring IndusInd, every component chart is saying either it's neutral or bullish. For tomorrow, let's look at the option. And I'll also take base of the option statistics data, because today, after this move, right, tomorrow's expiry could be very interesting if we get the right trade at the in the second half. So 44,300 CE. Sorry, what happened here? Now for tomorrow, right, you need an opening between 187 and 228. Consolidation takes out, hits 254 and 320. Right, this is 44,300 CE. 44,800 P premiums are very low, so be very cautious, right? If you see here, it's actually taking a base, it's actually trading lower, right? Tomorrow, ideally, it has to open between 403 and 445, consolidate, take out, then you can see the targets of 480 and 558, right? But again, it looks very difficult. Now, why am I saying so? Look at this, everywhere there is a long build up, right up to 45,000. And if you see here, everywhere there's a big short build up, right? In such a case, typically you see markets actually open gap up, first movement goes up, and this market has a potential to touch 44,700, 44,800, right? So be very cautious in terms of trading anything on the short side in opening. Don't assume that market has gone up, so now it will come down. It will in the morning give an interim resistance around 44,511 to 550. Once that level gets taken out, you are in for a good short covering rally till 44,700, 800, right? But you need this level to be taken out. So tomorrow morning, Wait, if it's a gap down, let it take out 44,550. Observe this call writers here. If they start exiting their position, you will see a good movement, right? Because today they have not exited the position, so you need this level to be taken out, right? That's the story on bank nifty. Now nifty, again, FMCG defensives generally do a profit booking. So Nifty 50 was not in a range to trade. I said do not make any trades here. Nifty for tomorrow, right? Above 19,480, right? So ideally it should open flat, take out 19,480, goes to 19,548. Nifty looks caged right now. As I mentioned, right? It is trading near its resistance. So the movement here will be constricted. For tomorrow, one should see, if you see, it has taken a resistance here, right? Now, if it takes out 19,480, you could see 19,548 and 19,580. Ideally, I would prefer Nifty to open between 19,380 and 19,420, consolidate, and in the last hour and a half, right, take out these levels. You'll get a good hero zero trade in Nifty, right? Otherwise, tomorrow prefer to trade Bank Nifty. I am expecting a gap up opening, then some pause after 130. I believe if 44,500 call writers take a backseat, they will actually, the put writers will pounce and take the market towards 44,700, 800. So friends, that's it. I hope everyone is liking the analysis. Please share our Telegram channel as well as YouTube channel with your friends and family members who are into trading. We are sharing a lot of content. We post our views for free so that people can make benefit. Thank you friends. I hope everyone has a profitable expiry. Have a great rest of the day.